there's a whole new way for children to get to their favorite neighborhood as Sony Wonder presents brand new titles from Sesame Street. Created exclusively for video and audio, these releases bring all the joy and excitement of Sesame Street right into your home. First, it's Kids Guide to Life, Learning to Share, featuring special guest star Katie Couric. This lively adventure about sharing and friendship presents very valuable messages from Elmo and Zoe.
Yes, it's so much better. Yes, that is so much better. When you work or play together, you'll have a lot more fun. You'll have a lot more fun.
That's funny!
In Do the Alphabet, Big Bird takes Baby Bear and his Sesame Street friends on a laughter and song-filled learning experience that starts on A and winds up on Z with stops at every letter along the way.
A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, D, E, F, G. You can say the alphabet back to me.
Coming soon, youngsters are encouraged to use their creativity with Imagine That, activities for rainy days and every day. Kids of all ages will want to join their Sesame Street friends in these imaginative games and songs.
Let's get dressed up. Let's imagine. Let's get dressed up and pretend we're somebody else.
And there's more to come. 2 new videos. For an energizing experience, preschoolers can twist and jump with Elmo size. Then, join in the Olympic-size fun with Slimey's World Games. Plus, each new video includes a special bonus, fun-filled booklets featuring playtime activities and much more. Also from Sony Wonder, Sesame Street's all-time favorites on video, plus audio cassettes and CDs, including sing-along travel songs and silly songs, and book and audio tapes, including Kids Guide to Life, Big Bird's Band Plays Together, and The Magic Shoes. Get to the place children love the most with Sesame Street video and audio, only from Sony Wonder.
Sesame Street, please, and step on it.
It's time for Slimey's World Games!
See worms from all over the world compete in gymnastics, in diving, in racing, and in jumping! Stay tuned, we'll be right back with the Worms Summer Games!
Take you all over town. Oh.
They love to skip and dance to the music, or just jump up and down. Oh.
Dance, not just one but two. Think of all the different things that they can do.
And now a special offer for Sesame Street parents from Sesame Street Magazine.
If your children like Sesame Street, they'll really love Sesame Street Magazine. Created for kids 2 to 6, it's just as much fun and educational as the TV show. There are stories to read, pages to cut and color, and posters to collect. And with every issue, you'll also receive Sesame Street Parents. Order 10 issues of Sesame Street Magazine and get 10 issues of Sesame Street Parents at no extra cost, all for less than $1 each.
Call now 800-822-4682. That's 800-822-4682.